Hello my internet family and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well, and today's video is my monthly favorite video for June, and I have too many things that I love this month that I need to share with you guys right now. So let's get started. So my first favorite things is this one. And I just love this. No, this is not my favorite on this month, but yes, I have. So there's so many products. How to start? Okay, at first I am showing you guys. My first thing is Garnier, and this is Garnier Miracle Cleansing Water, and it's removes all makeup, especially your eye makeup. And I love this so much. It is so good, and I just love these things. And you can use it on your eyes. If you have oily skin, you can use it, but if you have dry skin, then do not try to use on your face like too much. Like little bit you can use little amount of this water, and you can use it with a cotton pad, and take a cotton pad, then take this on your cotton pad, then apply it on your face. First apply on your eyes for removing your eye makeup. Don't rub it, only dab it on your eyes, then hold it for 5 to 6 seconds, then pull it. Okay, so that's how you can clean your eye makeup. So that's why I love this so much. So this is my first product. Then my second product is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which I am wearing right now, and you can see the glowingness on my face with this product. And it's not full coverage foundation, it's light to medium coverage foundation, and this is so light and so comfortable for your skin, especially in summertime. And this is normal to oily skin. You can use it, so you can use it for combination skin or oily skin or medium dry skin. You can use it. If you have too much dry skin, I don't know, but you can try this. And the shade is 115, and this is the darker shade I'm using, because the bottle looks like a darker shade, but if I open it, its shade is too light. That's why my shade is little bit one shade lower. So this is my second product which I love this month. So my next favorite is this one. This is from Khadi Tangy Lemonade with Orange Peel Facial Toner Mist, and it's 100% natural and safe, no alcohol, and that's why I love this so much. It smells like, oh my god, it's so good, and I just love this smell. Is so like orangey like, but I just love this product, and this is so good for your facial mist. You can carry it on your bag. When you're traveling, you can use it, or you can use it at home. You can use it as a makeup fixer spray. And I just love this product. It's so refreshing and it's so natural, and you can see this, it's so natural. Water is so natural, it's so beautiful. It's just lovely product. So my next product is this nail polish which I am wearing right now. You can see. So this is from Amway Attitude. So the color is so pretty, and for summer it's so good, and it's so beautiful color, and I just love this color. And it's so like not too shiny. It's matte finishing, which I love so much, and I just love this color. You can try this, and you can use it or of any complexion you have. You can use this color, and it's so amazing color. Okay, so my next product is this lipstick, and this is from Bella Poste, and this is the shade of 07, and this is so beautiful color for summer. It's not red or not pink, it's strawberry pink like color, not strawberry. No, I will show you. This is, you can see, this is not red or not pink. This is like a strawberry color. You can see this. It's so pretty for summer. For if you apply on your lip, it looks so bright on your face. If you have any complexion of skin tone, you can use this product, use this color, and this is so good. And the name is Bella Poste. This is the name, Bella Poste. The number is 07. It's not focusing, but I will write this on the description box. You can see the description box below. So this is also my favorite product. Okay, so my next favorite product is this blush from Maybelline, and Maybelline Fit Me, and this is so pretty and so beautiful color and so amazing color. You can see this so amazing color which I am just wearing right now. It's not too dark shade or not too pinky, it's a rose gold shade. I can swatch it for you. You can see the color. It's not actually it's a light, that's why I can't take you, but this color is so amazing. You can see this is just, I love this product, and it's so handy product. You can carry with your bag. And my next favorite is from Maybelline Lumi Touch highlighting concealer, and this concealer, I love this because it's not too heavy or not too thick. It's so light, and the shade is Honey Miel, Miel, Honey Miel. Okay, so my next favorite things of this month is the most favorite things which I just love it, and that is my Skin Cottage. And this is so amazing. I just love this product, and this is from Skin Cottage Bath Plus Scrub Body Bath Orange Peach Essence, smooths and moisturizes skin, protect, nourish. And this is so good. And they have scrub on that. It will helps to scrubbing your hands or body, and this is so good, and you have to try this for summer, and it will helps to refreshing you, and it's so good, and I just love this. It's so helpful product. The quantity is 1000 ml, and this smell is so orangey, and it will take 6 to 7 months to finish. I love orange lemon, this type of product which have pulpy things, and you can definitely try this product. So my next favorite product is a dress. This is not a beauty product, my mom gifted me for my birthday, and I love this top. Can you see this? This is the back is little bit long, and the front is little bit short, and the hand is so long and so flary things which I love so much, and the color is so pretty and I just love this color. And this is not pink, it's peach color, and the fabric is so not synthetic or not georgette, is so smooth. And this is not cotton, but this is so comfortable. You can see this is the so comfortable. And this is from Reliance Trend. If you are from India, then you can buy this from Reliance Trend. So this is my favorite cloth for June. So the next is my mobile cover, and you can see the cover is so pretty and so bright, and I love bright things. This is my favorite things because I made it myself, and this is my DIY cover. My last thing is a food, which is this thing. This is jollies. This is jollies, a jelly toffee, and they have 10 toffee in here, and the flavor is, one is fruit strawberry, and next is orange, again orange. And I love this toffee, it's so yummy. And I have few little things that I need to share with you. That is, my favorite song of this month is Alan Walker Ignite. I love the music and love the song. And my favorite movie of this month is Ferdinand, and I love the bull, and I love the bull dance. It's so funny, and the story is so beautiful, and the story is so amazing. Please watch this movie if you are an animated lover. So this is the all thing which is my June favorite thing. And also, yeah, this is, you can see this light on a back on my bed, and this is, I made it myself, and this is so beautiful. And if I switch off my all light, and it's look like a dream bed, and it's look a aromatic lights, and it's makes so relaxing, and I love this. So guys, this is just my thing. You can try this in your house, in your room, in your anything, like you can try this, make it from yourself, then it will be definitely your favorite thing always. So this is it. So if you guys enjoyed my video, then please subscribe to my channel, and please share with your friends my video. And if you have any question or anything need to know about me, or about any makeup product, or any makeup things, or skincare, or hair care, or anything, you can ask me freely, and please ask me in the comment section below. So guys, I'll see you all in my next video. So now take care and bye.